guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, back again with a new video. And in today's video, as you can see from the title, we install Freetress's Summer Deep. So it's just Summer Deep, not Summer Deep Twist, just Summer. So I got this in the color 18 inches. It was $9.99 a pack. I bought 3 packs and I got it in the color number 2. And this is the 3X, okay you guys? So it comes, well, I'll show you guys the packaging. Well, y'all saw the packaging at the beginning of the video, but this is what I have left, just one bundle. I like the hair. I was looking for different hair to try. I actually was looking for Freetress Joyful Curl, and I was gonna mix it up and do all these colors, but they did not have the colors that I wanted. They had like 1B and 4 and something else. So I was like, dang, okay. So then I saw this Summer Deep and I was like, I gotta try that. Let me try it. I never tried it. I did try Soulful Curl. I remember I was like, when I first tried Soulful Curl, I was like, Soulful, Joyful, Soulful, Joyful. I went with Soulful. I got a video on that, install and review. But yeah, you guys, now the install was okay. And I say okay because I'm gonna just blame it on me not having a mirror, because I had so much shedding and so much hair that I was not able to pull through. So this is like the hair I wasn't able to pull through. It was kind of annoying and frustrating. So that's why I'm gonna just say it was okay. Normally I say I didn't have any problems. The install was easy. This one was just okay. So y'all stay tuned for the review. As always, it'll be coming in 2 weeks. But this is what the hair looks like up close. So let me tell y'all, in the back, I left the hair as is. I knotted it. I usually say 3 to 5 times. This time I only knotted it 3 times because I was rushing, okay? So yeah, but this is the hair. This Freetress hair be smelling so good and I love that so much. But let me show y'all the fullness of it because it is full. I almost used all 3 packs. That is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm not gonna cut it up or try to trim it and style it or do nothing like that. I'm gonna just leave it as is. I got a little date night tonight, so I want to hurry up and get my hair done. So what? Okay, so yeah you guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, subscribe. Let me know if you tried Summer Deep hair. What did you think about it? How long did you wear it? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know down in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.